Gastric awareness tips for digestive health. Chew your food thoroughly to aid digestion and prevent overeating. Consume fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoid processed, high-fat, and spicy foods. Stay hydrated with plenty of water to support digestion and maintain a healthy stomach balance. Engage in physical activity for overall well-being and healthy digestion. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating and opt for smaller, frequent meals. Reduce consumption of carbonated drinks to minimize bloating and gas. Pay close attention to foods that trigger discomfort and keep a food diary to identify patterns. Allow time between your last meal and bedtime to aid digestion and prevent acid reflux. Moderate intake of caffeine and alcohol to avoid irritating the stomach lining. Use stress management techniques to support digestive health. Establish consistent meal times to regulate digestion and promote a healthy digestive system. Aim for gradual, sustainable weight loss to reduce gastric issues, especially around the abdomen. Quitting smoking to improve acid reflux and overall digestive health. Include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi in your diet for a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Thanks for watching Wellness Ways. Do like, share, and subscribe for wellness.